Hey, we got sent over a indoor Chaise lounge chair to do a little box opening on and watch it blow up. So let's watch it blow up together. Stick around. There's what it's supposed to look like. We'll see.
Okay. So to open this, we're going to pull this red tape.
So,
do not use a sharp.
okay, we pulled the red tape, but it didn't do anything. That's kind of cool looking. Can you sit on it already, or you gotta wait?
It doesn't say. Okay, let's sit on it.
Just in case my shoes are dirty. Oh, it's been great to watch TV. This ain't bad at all.
The back will get taller.
It's pretty comfortable.
I've heard that they are.
And then I get, well, if it was too tall though, your feet would hang off. But you could use it for a bed. It does have an odor to it though, but because it's been wrapped up in plastic. I think it's a winner. Winner chicken dinner.
Oh, they don't have no bones.
Yeah, no bones. And there's plenty of room for two people. Care to join me?
Oh, it is comfortable.
Yeah. You can sit there and watch a movie.
Yeah. Sleep.
Well, we're gonna let it puff on up, and we'll check back. Stick around. Okay, guys. Well, here you go. It's been about 3 days since we opened this up, and this is it. Expanded completely out. The odor has gone away. That odor was just from being wrapped up. And in case you're curious, I measured this and it is about the size of a full-size mattress. You're looking at right at 6 feet long. And the width of this is about 56 inches wide. Now the height on this, counting the cushion, we are looking at about 19 inches tall. But you can lift that up and have a lower cushion there. I don't know really why you would take this part off, but you can if you want. Also, on the pillows and even this cushion right here, the cover has a zipper on it. So if you had to take it off, you can take it off and wash it. So it is all washable if you need to wash it. Really soft. It's supposed to be plush, and it is plush, that's for sure. And it is comfortable. I could sleep on this. Better yet, to watch TV, just relax. If you've got room for something like this, it's definitely something you may want to check into. I like it. The arms don't feel like flimsy, like they're going to break. And the whole cool thing about this thing is there's no wood frame, metal frame, nothing. It's no bones, as we said earlier. If you're looking for something like this one is definitely worth checking out, that's for sure. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.